cats when I had zero interest of having any pets. I have 2 cats. They are such brats. When I go to them to play with them, they don't want the attention. That time they like full pricey. Both of them are pricey to another level. Scratching the TV. He attacks my TV, Noah. So my cat looks at the TV like that every day and he wonders when it goes and is it coming out from here? Is it coming out from there? He goes behind the TV, he looks and he keeps looking at me saying, why can't I get this? Why can't I catch this? And I said, beta, it is not to be caught.
So if you'd like to say something about that to people who are contemplating adopting pets.
Today I walked into a street or in somebody's building and there are so many cats that don't have anyone to look after them. They are hungry, they don't know where to sleep at night. It just think about how much you can give them, in just terms of a shelter, food, just like a loving embrace when you come home. It's just, they need the love and care too. So just do it for them. They don't have anywhere.
And when you aren't shooting, how do you love spending time with them? Anything in particular, any games that you all play?
They are such brats. When I go to them to play with them, they don't want the attention. That time they like full pricey. Both of them are pricey to another level. But then when you ignore them, they'll come running behind you and sit on your feet and then they'll do some cute things. I've played a lot, They have those light things that they run after. Oh God, it's madness when I put on that laser and then they chase it. I don't know for how long. So Smart TV has that mouse that keeps moving. Pointer. My cat is convinced that's a mouse. So my cat looks at the TV like that every day and he wonders when it goes and there's is it coming out from here? Is it coming out from there? He goes behind the TV, he looks and he keeps looking at me saying, why can't I get this? Why can't I catch this? And I said, beta, it is not to be caught. He's too funny. He starts scratching the TV. He attacks my TV, Noah. He's too convinced that's a mouse and he's like, where does it go every time? Where does it disappear?
And are Noah and Lola similar in some way or do they have different personalities?
Different personalities. They didn't get along at all. I think even now they don't get along, but they just realized they're stuck with each other. So they bear it up with each other. She's a full chunt mastikhor brat. He's a full princess. He cannot, he doesn't mingle with people, he doesn't go to people, and she's this one everywhere, everything.
Fun question. So if they had to have a superpower, what would it be?
I would like them to talk back. Like if I'm talking to them, I say, just talk back. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're feeling. If I say hi, say hi.
And what would they say to you? If
they would, I think Noah would tell me, okay, I really am not interested in you. Why don't you get it, woman? Can you stop running behind me everywhere in the house? You stop grabbing me. I don't like you. I think that's what Noah would say to me. Lola would want me to come and play with her. She would want me to come and pet her. And she would definitely always want food. So she'll always say, where's the food? What am I eating today? Why can't I eat your food? Where's the food? She's a full foodie.
And finally, if you had to dress them up for a party, what would you dress them up?
Nothing, no. I have no cheap thrills or fetishes like that. They're normal the way they are. I cannot put even a bow on them. I'm like, no, take it out, free them. They feel so suffocated. So no clothes.
And it was great having you guys. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.